Hey creators, and welcome back to my video series on Visme's AI tools. Today we're going to dive into Visme's AI Writer. Have you ever experienced writer's block or just wanted to speed up your content creation process? Whether you're stuck on a headline, need help writing your slide content, want to switch up your tone or summarize your copy, Visme's AI Writer's got you covered and can help generate this content within seconds. Here's how easy it is to use. Select any text box where you need help with writing, then click on the little feather icon. The AI Writer toolbar will open up from the left. Enter a simple prompt or copy and paste in some text you want refining or enhancing. Then choose your text length, short, medium, or long, and choose the tone of voice in which you want to convey depending on your content. Then click Generate and watch the text generated by AI load into your project. If you want to make any changes, these text boxes are completely editable, so you can click into the copy and make any adjustments you need. The AI Writer is here as an assistant to help you get started, speed things up, and explore different versions of your idea, while still having you in control of your message. Better yet, Visme's AI tools are developed to make sure that any information you input into your prompts is not used to train AI models on the web, which I really appreciate because it helps me ensure my information stays private. I've used Visme's AI Writer for headlines, slide content, even rewriting copy that just wasn't hitting. It's fast, flexible, and totally worth trying out. So next time you're feeling stuck or in a rush, let Visme's AI Writer help jumpstart your creativity.